Hello my lovely students, we are doing question number 15 of exercise 5.2. For what value of n are the nth term of two APs? So here we are having two APs. The first one is 63, 65, 67. The second one is 3, 10, 17 and so on. But their value, the n, is equal. The given APs are 63, 65, 67 and the second one is 3, 10 and 17. So in the first AP, we are having A 63, difference 65 minus 63, difference is 2, जो हमें A2 minus A1 करके मिल जाएगा. AN we don't know and the value of n is also not given to us, हमारे पास है ही नहीं. एंड व्हाट द क्वेश्चन सेज, दोनों एपीज की जो टर्म है उसकी एन की वैल्यू सेम है, इक्वल है. सो फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट एपी टर्म वी विल गेट दैट इज ए एन इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस एन माइनस वन इंटू डी. ए एन की वैल्यू इज 63, क्योंकि ए की वैल्यू 63 है तो इन द प्लेस ऑफ ए विल राइट 63 प्लस एन की वैल्यू पता नहीं, विल राइट एन माइनस वन. Difference we got 2. So an is equal to 63 plus 2 into n is 2n. 2 ones are 2 and plus minus will become minus. So 63 minus 2 क्या मिलेगा हमें? That is 61. So 61 plus 2n ये हमारा first equation बन जाएगा. In second AP, a की value है 3. Yes, we'll write down difference. So 10 minus 3 is 7. In this also we don't have the n and an value. So we will take as an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. We have to apply an. A की value हमारे पास 3 है plus n minus 1. Difference will write 7 जो हमने find out कर लिया. So an is equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7. 7 into n, 7n, 7 ones are 7. Plus minus minus, the greater sign will be of negative, so we'll get minus 4 plus 7. So this is our second equation. So from 1 and 2, okay, we will get that is 61 plus 2n equals to minus 4 plus 7n. Minus 4 will shift to the other side, so 61 plus 4 मिल जाएगा. 7n minus 2 will shift that side, so it will become minus 2. So 61 plus 4 65 हो जाएगा and 7n minus 2n तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? 5n. Now 65 divided by 5, so 5 ones are 5 and 5 13s is 65. So we got the value of. Let us start question number 16. What the question number 16 says, determine the APs whose third term is 16. यानी A3 हमें दिए रखा है and n value will be 3. And the seventh term, यानी जो seventh term है वो exceed करती है the fifth term by 12. यानी fifth term से ज़्यादा है 12. So A3 is equal to 16. n की वैल्यू 3 हो जाएगी. सो विल पुट द फॉर्मूला दैट इज an इज इक्वल टू a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. A3 की वैल्यू हमारे पास है दैट इज 16 इक्वल्स टू a प्लस 3 माइनस 1 इंटू डी. 16 इक्वल्स टू a प्लस 2d बिकॉज 3 माइनस 1 इक्वल्स टू 2. सो दिस विल बिकम द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. A5 इक्वल्स टू a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. a प्लस n की वैल्यू 5 है. That is already given to us. So 5 minus 1 into d. 5 minus 1 क्या मिलेगा? 4. So we'll get 4d. So a plus 4d is the second equation. Now we'll find out the equation for the a7 term also. So a7 equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. a plus 7 minus 1. क्यों? क्योंकि n की value 7 है. Yes. So 7 minus 1 is 6. So we'll get 6d. So a plus 6d. This is our third term. So what is given? 7th term exceed 5th term by 12. So 7th term minus 5th term equals to 12 we will get. So A7 का वैल्यू क्या था? A plus 60 will put here. A5 की हमें मिल गई, that is A plus 4D. So it will put the minus sign. A plus 4D is equal to 12. Let's open the bracket. So A plus 6D plus minus minus A plus minus minus 4D equals to 12. Positive and negative A will get cancelled and 6D minus, let of D in equation first. So what we will get? Equation first की value क्या है? 16 equals to A plus 2D. So 16 is equal to A plus 2. Difference हमें मिल गया 6. We'll put here. 2 6 are 12. So A की value, that is 16. 12 is shift. So minus. So 16 minus 12 is 4. So A की value, the first term we got 4. Second term, add the difference. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Third term, 10 plus 6 is 16, and so on. We will get all the terms. So we have find out the AP terms.